Welcome to Ira Fat Girl. Doing something a little different today. Cleaning my Super Redhawk 44 Magnum Ruger with CLP, then CLR, the bathroom cleaning product, and then Vortex copper remover.
Okay, this is a relatively new barrel on 44 mag. You can see there's dirt in it, very little copper fouling, little bit of carbon there, even at the throat. The throat has a little bit of carbon right there, all the way around. So it's got little carbon buildup. The cylinders got tons of carbon right at the forcing cone on all 6 cylinders. So we're going to try CLP first, and then I'll switch to CLR. Well, after using Lucas CLP, you can see what I got out. Second patch, third patch is clean, but as you can see on the face of the cylinder, it is still black on that stainless steel, and I'll show you what the inside looks like. Okay, look inside the barrel. It looks exactly the same. It didn't take any of the carbon out, and all the copper's left in there. And same with the cylinders. They look exactly the same. You know, and before I had the borescope, I'd have thought this was clean. Now I'll switch to CLP. Alright, just got done with the CLR. As you can see, that was first application. So I had 3 patches. The 4th patch come out pretty clean, and then I neutralized it with alcohol. And look at the face of that cylinder. Come on, baby, zoom in. There we go. That got almost all that carbon off. I'll show you what the inside looks like. So here's the inside. As you can see, bright and shiny bore. There's still copper though, so we're going to go back in. The little bubbles in there are the alcohol that I used to neutralize it. But yeah, all the carbon's gone. Let's see what it looks like on the forcing cones. Oh, still got a little bit of carbon there. I will get back in there after that, but as you can see, it's on the widest part of the forcing cone, so I have to do a little more scrubbing to get that out. And on the cylinder's got a little bit of carbon left as well. So we'll do another application of the CLR to get that out, and then after that we'll go after the copper fouling. Alright, did another treatment with the CLR, and all of the carbon ring at the forcing cones is gone now, which is awesome. Let's see how the cylinder looks. Oh, there's still a few little particles in there, which, compared to what it was, I might, you guys know me, I'm OCD. That one will get the rest taken out, because it looks like that's the only one that has any. Oh, I see a little particle there. Alright. Scrub that a little bit, make it 100%, and then we'll switch over to the copper fouling remover. Alright, we got in there and did the scrub all that little bit of carbon that was in the cylinder out, so they're all spotless. Alright, next thing we used is Vortex CU+2 copper solvent. And you got to switch to nylon brushes and nickel plated jags so it doesn't give you a false reading, because it turns blue when it hits copper, brass, or bronze, or anything like that. But that's end result. Wet patch, second wet patch, and then 2 dry patches, and it comes out clean. Let's see what it looks like inside. Alright, go in here and look at the crown is spotless, and look at that, there isn't any copper inside that rifling anywhere. This baby's squeaky clean. It'll be like going out and shooting a new pistol again. What's hilarious is when you realize like a little strand of lint looks like a log laying there. You can probably see that there in the bottom right of the screen above the 202601. That's a little piece of lint. But alright, thank you for watching.